So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to practice more than 200 daily use English sentences. So if you want to speak English, watch the video till the end. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. The first sentence is मैं बहुत भाग्यशाली हूँ. I am very lucky. I am very lucky. चलो साथ चलते हैं. Let's go together. Let's go together. मुझे एक मौका दो. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. मुझे कोई आपत्ति नहीं है. I don't have any issue. I don't have any issue. बाद में बात करते हैं. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. ये कोई मजाक नहीं है. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. तुम कितने साल के हो? How old are you? How old are you? मुझसे गलती हो गई. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. मुझे आपका नंबर चाहिए. I want your number. I want your number. मेरे बारे में सोचो. Think about me. Think about me. कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? क्या आप उसे देख सकते हैं? Can you see her? Can you see her? मुझे वापस कॉल करो. Call me back. Call me back. ये बहुत ज़्यादा है. That is too much. That is too much. आपकी समस्या क्या है? What is your problem? What is your problem? आपकी यात्रा मंगलमय हो. Have a great journey. Have a great journey. आपकी यात्रा कैसी थी? How was your trip? How was your trip? कुछ मत कहो. Don't say anything. Don't say anything. आपको कैसे पता चला? How do you know? How do you know? सब बेकार है. Everything is useless. Everything is useless. ऐसा कभी मत करना. Never do so. Never do so. यह आपके लिए अच्छा होगा. It will be better for you. It will be better for you. आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? वह इसे अच्छी तरह जानता है. He knows it very well. He knows it very well. यह तुम्हारी भूल नहीं है. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Or you can say it's not your mistake. It's not your mistake. यह तुम्हें लेना चाहिए. You should take this. You should take this. मैं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ. I want to do something. I want to do something. क्या आपको मिला? Did you get it? Did you get it? ये किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? शुरुआत तुमने की थी। You had started. You had started. यह ठीक नहीं है। This is not right. This is not right. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए। I want your advice. I want your advice. मैंने एक सपना देखा। I had a dream. I had a dream. चलो पता लगाते हैं। Let's find out. Let's find out. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know me? How do you know me? क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you sick? Are you sick? आप कहाँ रहते हैं? Where do you reside? Where do you reside? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? What do you want? धीरे बोलिए। Speak slowly. Speak slowly. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है। I am proud of you. I am proud of you. आज बारिश हो सकती है। It may rain today. It may rain today. तुमने उसे जाने क्यों दिया? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? ऐसा मत करो। Don't do this. Don't do this. आसपास कोई भी नहीं है। No one is around. No one is around. मैं सब समझ गया। I understood everything. I understood everything. बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। There is no need to tell. There is no need to tell. आपको क्या पसंद है? What do you like? What do you like? जैसा आपको ठीक लगे। As you feel like. As you feel like. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता। Nobody can stop me. Nobody can stop me. क्या आप मुझे जानते हैं? Do you know me? Do you know me? क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? मुझे गलत मत समझना। Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. मैं परेशानी में हूँ। I am in trouble. I am in trouble. खुद पर विश्वास रखो। Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. मैंने उसे कल देखा। I saw him yesterday. I saw him yesterday. कार में बैठ जाओ। Get in the car. Get in the car. यह किसके लिए है? Who is it for? Who is it for? यह आपके लिए है। This is for you. This is for you. यह कैसे संभव है? How is it possible? How is it possible? तुम्हें क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? एक बार की बात है. Once upon a time. Once upon a time. अपना समय बर्बाद मत करो. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. समय बहुत कीमती है. The time is very precious. The time is very precious. मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. Come with me. शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. और बताओ. Tell me more. Tell me more. और कुछ? Anything else? Anything else? मुझे दो. Give me. Give me. इसे लो. Take it. Take it. क्या हो रहा है? What's up? What's up? क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? तुम ऑनलाइन कब आओगे? When will you come online? When will you come online? मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार करूँगा. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? मैं कॉल पर हूँ. I am on call. I am on call. क्या मैं तुम्हें कॉल कर सकता हूँ? Could I call you? Could I call you? नहीं, अभी नहीं. No, not now. No, not now. मैं तुम्हें थोड़ी देर में कॉल करता हूँ. I will call you in a while. I will call you in a while. वह मजाक कर रहा है. He is joking. He is joking. बस इसे भूल जाओ. Just forget it. Just forget it. उसने ऐसा कभी नहीं कहा. He never said that. He never said that. आपसे बात करके अच्छा लगा. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. आपने जवाब नहीं दिया. You did not reply. You did not reply. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? मैं पढ़ाई करता हूँ. I study. I study. एक बात बताओ. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. आप क्या पढ़ते हैं? What do you study? What do you study? मैं इंग्लिश पढ़ता हूँ. I study English. I study English. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. अपनी लोकेशन भेजो. Send your location. Send your location. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. No, it's not like that. नो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। नहीं कोई बात नहीं है। नो इट्स ओके। नो इट्स ओके। जल्द फिर मिलेंगे। सी यू सून। सी यू सून। जितना जल्दी हो सके। एज सून एज पॉसिबल। एज सून एज पॉसिबल। वह मुझे मैसेज करता है। ही टेक्स्ट मी। ही टेक्स्ट मी। मुझे 10 मिनट बाद मैसेज करना। टेक्स्ट मी आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स। टेक्स्ट मी आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स। आपका नंबर सेव नहीं था। योर नंबर वॉज नॉट सेव्ड। योर नंबर वॉज नॉट सेव्ड। मुझे आपका मैसेज मिला। आई गॉट योर मैसेज। आई गॉट योर मैसेज। कोई बात नहीं। नो प्रॉब्लम। नो प्रॉब्लम। एक बात बोलूं? कुड आई से वन थिंग? कुड आई से वन थिंग? आप क्या बताते हैं? What do you tell? What do you tell? आपके परिवार में कितने सदस्य हैं? How many members are there in your family? How many members are there in your family? कल मिलते हैं। Let's meet tomorrow. Let's meet tomorrow. मैं कल व्यस्त हूँ। I am busy tomorrow. I am busy tomorrow. अपना ख्याल रखना। Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. इसे फिर से लिखो। Write it again. Write it again. मुझे जाना है। I have to go. I have to go. किस बारे में? About what? About what? क्या लिखना है? What to write? What to write? ये क्या है? What is this? What is this? तुम्हें खेलना चाहिए। You should play. You should play. मन में याद करो। Learn it in mind. Learn it in mind. मैं तैयार हूँ। I am ready. I am ready. मैं पता लगा लूँगा। I will find it. I will find it. मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ। I am busy right now. I am busy right now. कुछ बताओ। Tell anything. Tell anything. सच बताओ। Tell the truth. Tell the truth. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ। I agree with you. I agree with you. मैं आपसे नाराज हूँ। I'm angry with you. I'm angry with you. मैं इंतज़ार करूँगा। I will wait. I will wait. कैसे करें? How to do? How to do? जैसी आपकी मर्जी। As you wish. As you wish. जितना जल्दी हो सके। As soon as possible. As soon as possible. अपने दोस्तों के साथ साझा करें। शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स। शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स। यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? What's happening here? What's happening here? तुम बाहर मत जाना। You don't go out. You don't go out. उस दिन क्या था? What was on that day? What was on that day? उस दिन रविवार था। That day was a Sunday. That day was a Sunday. वह ठीक नहीं है। He is not well. He is not well. आप क्या लेंगे? What will you have? What will you have? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. सब मेरे ऊपर छोड़ दो। Leave it all to me. Leave it all to me. आप क्या करना चाहते हैं? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? इसे नीचे मत रखना। Don't get it down. Don't get it down. तुम अंदर कैसे आए? How did you get in? How did you get in? आपने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मैं जाने ही वाला था। I was about to leave. I was about to leave. ये उसकी गलती नहीं है। It is not his mistake. It is not his mistake. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? मुझे नौकरी की ज़रूरत है। I need a job. I need a job. तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you need? What do you need? काश मैं तुमसे मिल सकता। I wish I could meet you. I wish I could meet you. आपका इरादा क्या है? What is your intention? What is your intention? मैं पूरा प्रयास करूँगा। I will try my best. I will try my best. मैं सच बोलता हूँ। I speak the truth. I speak the truth. वह घर पर नहीं है। He is not at home. He is not at home. कौन है वहाँ? Who is there? Who is there? हम बहुत बातें करते हैं। We talk a lot. We talk a lot. मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है। I want to talk to you. I want to talk to you. क्या तुमने खाना खाया? Did you have food? Did you have food? मैं ज़रूर आऊँगा। I will come for sure. I will come for sure. मुझसे पंगा मत लो। Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पता। I don't know at all. I don't know at all. कहना आसान है. It is easy to say. It is easy to say. उसे घर पर होना चाहिए. He should be at home. He should be at home. वह नाराज होगी. She would be angry. She would be angry. तुम्हें किसने मारा? Who hit you? Who hit you? बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. यह कब तक चलेगा? How long will it go on? How long will it go on? मैं तुम्हारा कौन हूँ? Who am I to you? Who am I to you? क्या आपके पास कुछ है? Do you have something? Do you have something? मैं बस जानना चाहता हूँ. I just want to know. I just want to know. आप कब आएंगे? When will you come? When will you come? तो दोस्तों ये था आज का वीडियो. वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा और यदि आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल मिलते हैं नए अंदाज में किसी नए टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.